Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Menteri Sarkar Jela Ubakmi Ikatan Public Health Engineering Marcus and Marak hakish pautrik una opera arajar pausau uliat ho bala thong ban Jingpyntrei kampura ke Jeven mission hobnai leber haus nam arajar pausan. Hakiji keran bekelat patai kubor Marak uliat ho ba praphuwei point live kunai person ke Jingpyntrei Ladep Haduh Mynta haburok wei ke Jela. Shushu uliat ho begin Haduh undro jar tilitam ki project bahap hapo janga JGM kiblale ke geotag kanaman yo ke song jingarap pisana ke Sarkar pedeng.
Are at 81.39 something percent. So we stuck up there. So work just started because the working season just started, and then all the contractors, companies are on the job now. JJM is a project which is about to complete now. Some of the projects could not, complete it because of want of certain. NOC from the forest department. Some could not start it because of the no land was available for the construction of treatment plants, some are distribution tanks. So that is the reason why it is getting delayed. But I'm assuring everyone that we'll try to make it completed. We are trying our level best to complete it by March next. Low performing districts, Garo Hills in fact was doing very well, but some of the projects was abandoned. Some of the projects were left out because some of the contractors were not working on that. So we have given a strict warning to them, and then some of the projects have been cancelled and then given to some other contractors. So they are on the job now. So yeah, there are some challenges. We are working on that. The challenges like the clearance from forest clearance, that is still there. We are yet to get some forest clearances for some projects. Some projects, sources are getting dry, so that source changing is required. So we are trying to get some additional fund from the state. I've already discussed with CM sir, and if center is not giving, we have to find some fund from the government of Meghalaya so that we change the source, so that the project sustains. Land issue, most of the land issues are being settled down now. Most of the land issues like, from the private Nokmas and Rangbashnongs and then Dolois, that issues we are settling down. Our staffs are working on the ground, but we are having some challenges like, land issues are there. So through you, I would request all our Rangbashnongs, Nokmas, Dolois to cooperate with the government in creating such assets so that we achieve 100% in terms of construction of the community toilets as well as the individual toilets. So, but that very less lane is also very difficult to get in some of the localities. So therefore, through you, I would urge the people to cooperate with the government. We have given the direction to the district levels, district deputy commissioners to monitor and to make it functional. Most of the sources that are very, necessary, very important. Government is thinking of implementing some Internet of Things. We are going to implement the Internet of Things, IoT, in most of the sources, so that we get automatic alert for the maintenance of the sources, and then we can take corrective measures accordingly. So most of the critical sources which has been identified last year, around 749 critical sources, rectification measures are going to be taken now. And then for this matter, expert has been called in, and then the project preparation is on. Hopefully, once it is completed, we'll be able to implement, I think, within this lean period. The cost I cannot tell you now, right now, because Still, the DPR preparation is on the way, and experts are also still trying to find out the most critical ones. They're on the field now. Some of them have already gone to the sites to study the critical sources, and accordingly they prepare a DPR.